The following is a demonstration of Reed's feed tap drilling machine for 3/4 inch to 2-inch taps.
This tapping machine is designed to be used for tapping ductile iron pipe, PVC and PE pipe through a saddle and corporation stop. The first step after we have the appropriate adapter and cutter selected is to insert the high-powered earth magnet that comes with your kit. You install it to the inside diameter on the smaller diameter cutters, and then we have a wire bit that retains the coupon for your larger taps. And then we're going to lubricate our cutter as well with the tapping compound that comes in the kit. The tapping compound just preserves the life of the cutter. We want to try to keep the heat down on the carbide cutter the best that we can, and we do that by using the compound. This is food grade compound. So after we put the compound on, at this point now we insert the machine into the corporation stop and turn it clockwise to make sure that our adapter is completely seated on the corporation stop. So after the machine is hooked up, you'll take the 7/16 nut driver and insert it over the end of the boring bar. This helps preserve the integrity of the boring bar. We get that seated and get it tightened down. The next step is going to be to make contact with the pipe. And we're going to tighten the black cylinder down clockwise until we make contact with the cutter and the pipe. And when we do, then we back it off a 1/4 turn before we start the drill. So now we're ready to drill, and when we start drilling, we want to slowly introduce the cutter into the pipe by continuing to turn the cylinder clockwise. We call it a control feature because sometimes you're helping the cutter into the pipe, and other times you're keeping it from feeding too fast into the pipe. We want to control the speed that the cutter drops into the pipe, because if the drill is hard to hold on to, you know you have too much pressure down at the pipe. After we drill through the sidewall, the next step is to back the machine up. So we'll do that by taking the black cylinder and moving counterclockwise. And we'll do this until the cutter and shaft are both above the valve in the corporation stop. That way we can shut the corporation off and take our machine out. After the feed mechanism is retrieved, the next step would be to shut the valve off before removing the machine. After we close the valve, the next step is to remove the machine. The next step will be to remove the coupon from the cutter. So we'll take the Allen key and we'll put it through the relief in the hole saw, and we'll knock the coupon out and retrieve our magnet, which, as you can see, has almost all of the finer shavings on it as well.
This concludes the demonstration of Reed's feed tap drilling machine. For more information on this tool or any of Reed's quality products, visit www.reedmfgco.com.